Hi, welcome to my channel. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Don't forget to check the description to this video. I have links to some of my popular videos, a link to my Amazon account for a lot of things that you all ask about. Don't forget I have a bunch of playlists on the homepage of this channel. Thank you. Saw a great trick. One of you all shared a video with me. I'll put the link to that video down in the description below. Anyway, you can actually cook your rutabaga in the microwave, not even cutting it, not even doing anything to it. Right there. I'm just going to cover it up and I'll show you in the microwave just a second. I'm covering it just because there's wax and stuff on our rutabagas. I'll put it in the microwave for 8 minutes. And we'll see how it goes. And then the video, she did it 8 minutes and then turned it over and another 8 minutes. So we'll see how that works. It's been 8 minutes that my rutabaga has been in the microwave. I have this paper towel on it. Here where I live, maybe not where you live, our rutabagas come with wax on them. And so this paper towel will definitely help kind of absorb some of that wax that's as it melts off. So I'm just going to leave it off now. The video, she flips it over and then puts it back in for another 8 minutes. It has been 16 minutes for our rutabaga. In the video, she cut off the top. Still hot. And from there, see if mine, it might need a little bit longer. Her microwave might have been a little bit hotter than mine. Might have been a little higher wattage. From there, she scoops out the insides. I'm going to pull off some of this peeling first. Look at Terry Toodle. She's just going to town, cutting up that rutabaga. Get it, girl. I think in the future I will cut off both ends first before putting it in. Let's try. I'm going to microwave mine a little bit longer. It doesn't have the center is softer, but not soft enough to mash it. So 16, and I'll do another 5 minutes. Now, let's try that. After 5 more minutes, let's see how this works. I'm going to put it in this bowl. Let's try to mash it. Oh, yeah. That's, talk about a lot less work. There you go. You got mashed rutabaga. It took 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 21 minutes. And I'll show you this just a second. Look at that. Talk about way easier if you want some mashed rutabaga. That's really, that's a handy dandy fast way of doing it. So I'm going to smash this other one up. You can use this for mashed rutabaga. You can use it for soup if you add some broth to it and thin it out. So many possibilities now that we know you can actually cook a whole rutabaga in the microwave. Let's taste it. It's gonna burn me, but let's taste it. Tastes just as good as if I boiled it. Awesome. I'm sorry I don't remember who shared this video with me, but thank you so much. This is life-changing. Okay, bye. So what I did was I wrote 200. I weighed them. It's 200 grams, and I just wrote Baga. 200 Baga. So I'll know that these are just plain rutabaga. There's no seasonings. There's no cream, no cheese, nothing in it. It's just plain Baga. So then whenever I'm ready to have this mashed rutabaga, I could add whatever I wanted to or not add anything. And that's how I'm going to do this microwaved mashed rutabaga. That was just genius. Thank you so much for sending me that video. I love it. It's going to save me some serious time in the future.